Hey there and welcome. Today we're going to talk about subtracting integers. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, our lesson for today says -17 minus -30. And you might notice that we've got this double negative happening here, and that might be a little weird to deal with. So let's deal with it and get rid of it. Here's how this works. When we see two negatives next to each other like this, it really secretly means that we have a -1 times a -30. And in a future lesson, we're actually going to talk about negatives times positives. But for the sake of right now, a negative times a negative equals a positive. And if you're wondering where this comes from, it comes from the definition of an additive inverse, which just means the opposite. So this problem is literally saying the inverse, the opposite, of -30, which the opposite of -30 is just a +30. And so that's what we need to do with this. We need to change this into a +30. Now remember that we can only do that if we have double negatives together like this. So the way that I've always done it is I've just taken those two negatives and that parenthesis and I've changed it into a plus sign. It's as simple as that, and that's how I remember it the best. So now I have -17 plus 30. So now I can look at this and I can say, all right, my 17 is negative, my 30 is positive. I have two different signs, so that's a fight. I know that I need to subtract these two numbers, and I need to take the sign of the bigger number. Well, if I look at 17 and I look at 30, I can see that 30 is bigger. So whatever my final answer is going to be has to be the same sign as the 30, which is positive. So my final answer is going to be positive. So however you choose to do this problem, I'm just going to stack them. I'm going to say 30 minus 17. I can't do 0 minus 7, so I need to borrow. 10 minus 7 gives me 3, 1. So 13 is my final answer for this problem. And that's all that it is. So until next time, I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.